Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Teamwork. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn to complete the story by filling in words. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have learned how to complete a text. I hope you remember. And now we are going to learn further to use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple guided paragraph by filling in words to change or complete a given story. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 13, they distort words from their proper usage and have forgotten a portion of that of which they were reminded, and you will still observe deceit among them, except a few of them. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, better, this is a huge message. They distort words. So whenever words are changed, its message is changed. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the people who change the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So beta, words are very important. That's why whenever we use word in speaking or writing, we should be very careful, because by changing word, meaning changes. This is how we'll observe in today's lesson as well. So first you tell me what is a sentence and how do we fill in the blank in a sentence. We have practiced so many times to complete sentences by filling blanks. So how do we do it? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope after answering these questions, you are done with your brainstorming that how we make a sentence and how we fill in the blank. So what is a sentence? Basically, sentence is a group of words giving complete sense is called a sentence. So a group of words giving complete sense is a sentence. And it always, when we write it, it always begins with a capital letter. They eat food, right? So we are describing this picture, they eat food. This is a complete sentence which is telling us about them, right? I drink milk. It's a complete sentence. And how do we fill in the blanks? If any of the word is missing, how do we fill in the blank? By providing missing word or missing words of a sentence in a way that completes its sense and structure. In last unit, I taught you about sentence structure. Do you remember? Subject, verb, object, sometimes subject and verb, subject, predicate. Do you remember all that? So beta, when a word is missing, we write a word to complete the sentence which make the sense as well as the structure of the sentence. For example, how do we complete it? This is question number 10. Insert have or has. And we know these are the words which show possession and completion of work. So she has worked hard. This is how we complete it, right? They have gone to school, right? So we make this sense and we choose a correct word to complete a sentence which makes the sense complete as well as the structure complete. So when we keep on making sentence all together, we may complete a story as well, right? This is how we look at the picture. We have practiced it. Remember, while reading about directions, we look at the picture and we select the correct word, right? Because now how do we select it? Saad took a step. Now we look at the picture where he is going upward. So this is the right word. This is how we select words to complete sentences, okay? And yesterday I entered my school. These are all the chunks of your exercises, how you have practiced completing sentences. So today, one step ahead, we are going to complete story. So let's practice it through an activity. How do we do it? Teacher will divide class in 3 groups. And group 1 consists of these students who need assistance to complete the story, okay? Group 2 consists of the students who need less assistance to complete the story, and group 3 consists of the students who need least assistance to complete the story. Teachers, this is the instructions for you, how you will make the groups, okay? Group 1, 2, and 3. And now all groups will complete the same story in a different way, right? The same story will be given and you will have to use different words to complete this story. The story is here. So pause the video, enjoy this activity in groups and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? I hope now you understand how we complete a story in different way. Now the basic structure is same, but just change of the word makes a story different. Have you practiced it? That's good. So it's time to practice from your book. All of you complete question number 2. A word bank has been given to you. Look at the sentences, choose the correct word and complete the sentences. Then read the story and find it. Have you done it correctly? So pause the video, complete this task in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will write a story with the help of word bank provided by your teacher. So teacher will give you a word bank and you will write a story at home again. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet for students to practice. And students, you are going to complete a story in an interesting way. So what we have learned today, we learned to write a guided paragraph by using appropriate tense and vocabulary. We also learned to fill in the blanks to complete or change the story. So we achieved our SLO to use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple and guided paragraph by filling in words to change or complete a given story. So we have done both. Change and complete. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.